All right, soldier of swagger. Lock in. Crank the volume of your brain to paranoia mode because what I'm about to drop isn't advice. It's social weaponry. The reason people don't respect you isn't because you're weak, dumb, or broke. It's because your body enters the room like it's apologizing for existing. While you're crafting clever comebacks in your head, your posture's screaming, "Please like me," louder than a reality show contestant. It's tragic, but fixable. In seconds. I'm the Dark Light Mentor, emotional chiropractor for twisted mindsets. I teach you how to look dangerous without holding a weapon, how to speak power without raising your voice, and how to own rooms without asking for permission. You don't need plastic muscles or fake deep quotes. You need 7 microscopic moves, Jedi signals, that flip respect from borrowed to commanded. Let's get surgical. First fix. Enter like you're the plot twist, not the extra. Shoulders back, eyes forward, neck like you've got secrets that would ruin careers. Because you probably do. The human brain is wired to detect hierarchy from posture. If your spine looks like it owes rent money, no one's listening. Your walk should say, "I know something you don't," not, "Please don't notice me." This one tweak turns you from background buffering to HD presence instantly. Now, kill the nodding. I mean it. Stop bobbing your head like a broken Spotify ad. Confident people nod once. Slow, surgical, presidential. Insecure people nod like their approval was outsourced to caffeine. When someone's talking, hold eye contact and give a calm, calculated nod. No more human bobblehead energy. The moment you pause approval like it's currency, they'll work harder to earn it. Reverse psychology? Nah. Reverse dominance. Next, the pause. Most people speak like their words are on fire. Too fast, too loud, too desperate. But here's a dark little truth. Power pauses. Mafia bosses pause. Netflix villains sip water mid-sentence just to flex oxygen. Practice this. Pause before your punchline, after your joke, during your roast. Let silence do half the talking. People fill gaps with respect when you stop trying to fill them with noise. Here's where it gets juicy. Your hands are snitching. If they're in your pockets, crossed, or limp like last season's fashion, you're leaking insecurity. Instead, steeple them. Fingers touching like you're plotting a heist with your ancestors. Or use wide, deliberate gestures like you're painting with authority. Hands are confidence translators, fluent in respect. Use them wrong, and you're dubbed soft. Use them right, and you're suddenly giving presidential vibes in a hoodie. Eye contact is not just look them in the eye. That's rookie talk. Lock eyes, break every now and then strategically, then return like you never left. It's a dance. Too much equals psycho. Too little equals coward. Just enough? You're Batman with a brain. Make people wonder if you're reading their soul or just checking their vibes. That tension earns silence, and silence, my friend, is the currency of power. Now for the killer. Stillness. Movement is noise. Noise is weakness. People who fidget, adjust, twitch, or bounce look like they're one email away from a breakdown. Stillness is unnerving. It says, "I'm not chasing this moment. This moment is orbiting me." Watch any courtroom drama or elite interview. The alpha is the one sipping tea like time owes them interest. You? Learn to freeze like your presence is the tension. Now here's your dark light challenge. For the next 48 hours, use only 2 body language changes. Pick any, in every interaction. Record yourself if you dare. Watch the playback like you're analyzing an enemy. Then come back here and drop, "I weaponized silence," or "Respect now bows first." I'll know you did the work. And now, for the brave ones still tuned in like it's brain Netflix, here's your mind trap comment bait. What's the weirdest body language move you've seen someone do that instantly killed the vibe? Drop it below like tea with poison in it. Now, if this slapped you across your excuses and kissed your confidence on the forehead, like the video. Subscribe because this channel doesn't raise followers. It raises monsters in suits. And slap that bell icon like it owes you an apology for years of average. Because next up, we decode the art of verbal dominance. How to sound so composed, even your enemies think twice before debating you. It's not louder, it's deeper, and it's lethal. See you there, unless you blink first.